You know, Nehru was very much anxious inside. He was not feeling in the dream also that China is going to destroy. Right. And he even supported Chinese government. He supported in UNO. You know, UNO we have got nearly 5 five Myanmar there, America, USA, now Russia is there, then China is also. Britain is also there. Right, France is also there, 5 countries. China is the only country to whom we supported. मेरी बात याद रखना चाइना यदि यूएनओ के वीटो पावर में है तो दिस इज द ओनली वन पार्ट मेरी आवाज इतनी मधुर है
in the head, on the head, yeah, this one. So China is the only one country where to whom Nehru supported very ardently with full support, 100% support. If we not supported China, China was, and lot of people said, why don't we go to as a UNO? Now we are trying our best to get the Security Council seat, to get the permanent seat, to get the veto power. आपने YouTube में भी कई बार देखा होगा, हो सकता है इंडिया को veto power मिल जाए. Right? Why? Because now we are supporting us. Earlier, blindly, अंधी आंखों को बंद करके, Nehru was supporting China. And he was not in the dream also that one day China is going to attack on India. 1. 2. Sardar Patel. Second, Sardar Patel was very apprehensive, and he was absolutely sure, Sardar Patel, that one day China will attack India, and they will be just near to Arunachal Pradesh. Near to Arunachal Pradesh, and northeastern part will be occupied by Chinese aggression. And after 1962, this is 2020, 20 minus 62, near about more than 70, 75, 80 years, 75 years. Now, we are with the full strength and to challenge Chinese government. So I read for you. Unlike its relationship with Pakistan, I know Nehru was not very hopeful with Pakistan. Not very hopeful with Pakistan. Ma'am? China, Nehru was not very much hopeful with Pakistan, and he was always thinking that Pakistan can anytime have an attack on us. They can attack on us. So, unlike its relationship with Pakistan, Free India began its relationship with China on a very friendly note. Underline कर लो. हमने China के साथ in the future also, when you are going for higher classes, you know this book don't give this book to anyone. This book will be the treasure for you to prepare for the competitive examination. Right? So, unlike its relationship with Pakistan, Free India began its relationship with China on a very friendly note. After the Chinese Revolution in 1949, India was one of the first countries to recognize communist government. Indian government, it was the first government to recognize communist government. Now, what is communist government? You know, India is basically non-capitalist, non-communist. Right. So Nehru supported absolutely communist government, and we knew it, that their government policy and our government policy is very much different. Right. We accept capitalism. What do you mean by capitalism? आपने इकोनॉमिक्स में पढ़ा होगा, in economics there are two type of things, capitalist countries and communist countries. As Russia is a communist country, China is a communist country, Eastern Europe is a communist country, but capitalist country is where the dollars are maximum. Dollars bolta hai jahan pe. That is USA. With the dollars, capital, privatization is there. And in China, no privatization. Sorry, yes, no privatization. Everything belonged to the government. So we supported, Nehru firstly supported his neighbor that was coming out of the shadow of Western domination. So, Nehru was very much in support of China. Why? Because China was a communist country, absolutely from the government, everything is for the government. Right, and they don't support capitalism, and Western part, they have got the shadow on us, shadow on other countries also. अब देखिए capitalism जो है, market policy जो है, आपने you have heard the particular one word, open door market policy of China, globalization and open door policy of China. Please underline कर लीजिएगा wherever it comes, because it is there in the final examination. So help now, shadow of Western domination help the new government in international flora. Some of the colleagues like Vallabhbhai Patel, I just tell you, I told his name just now. Some of his colleagues like Vallabhbhai Patel were worried about possible Chinese aggression in the future. इस बंदे ने पहले से सोच रखा था कि there will be Chinese aggression. Why? Because your population is growing very fast. Who is having the greatest population, large population in the world? China's population is the largest population in the world till now. And second is in India. But China wants to, capture others' land, because land will give them lot of things. बिना जमीन के तो आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हो. So they want to, extend their land policy. They want to grab the weak countries of their neighboring countries. And they thought the same thing with India also, because now 1962 was coming, right? And they want to grab India. Now, in this following part, you will have another name, Dalai Lama. धर्मशाला, नाम सुना होगा. धर्मशाला एक सिटी है जहाँ पर दलाई लामा, Tibetan refugees यहाँ पर भी आते हैं. पानीपत में there's also there. In Panipat also, Tibetan refugees are there. आप यदि you go to Delhi, you will find मजनू का टीला, जहाँ से आपकी बस जाती है मजनू का टीला, उसके पास ही आपके पास बहुत बड़ा Tibetan market है, near the Gurdwara. A huge market of Tibetans, right? How they came? Dalai Lama, he crossed to India because he was thinking that there will be he will be killed in Tibet, and Chinese occupied Tibet. ये त्रिशूल जो आपका इलाका आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, बहुत, we had a fight with Chinese also few months back. That was near the Tibet, right? Are you able to understand? समझ आ रहा है? 100%. Fine. Any problem? Do tell me there. So I start. Now some of his colleagues like Vallabhbhai Patel were worried about a possible Chinese aggression in future, but Nehru thought it was exceedingly unlikely. What do you mean by which cannot be happen in the future? Which cannot be happen. The English word is very good over here. A beautiful English pronunciation is over there, right, in this book. So do read this one, right? So what Nehru thought that it cannot be possible. China could not, attack on us. But Vallabhbhai Patel said it will be happen. It is there. So that India will face an attack from China. देखो लिखा हुआ. क्लियर लिखा हुआ है, India will face an attack on from China. For a big long time, the Chinese border was guarded by paramilitary forces. Look how much he was positive, how much Nehru was positive. Kitna ye over positive, you know, over positive is always bad. If you're having the confidence, it's good, but overconfidence is always bad. Nehru was having overconfidence on China. ये तो हमारा भाई है. That's why he said हिंदी चीनी भाई भाई. Now we said Hindi chini bye bye. We said market should be bye bye now. But earlier we said used to say bye bye. Right? So for a long time, the Chinese border was guarded by paramilitary forces, not even military. CRPF, simple armored forces, ये जो है, they were guarded Indian border. फौज भी नहीं लगाई थी नेहरू ने. He was so confident, right? Not the army. देखो सामने लिखा हुआ है, पास ही लिखा हुआ है, not the army. फौज भी नहीं लगाई मैंने अभी आपको कहा. Only paramilitary forces, CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force, was there to guard Indian borders. Next paragraph, the joint enunciation of Panchsheel. Panchsheel, is your homework. Make a comprehensive note on Panchsheel. Panchsheel, ये आएगा आपको, आ सकता है. Panchsheel मतलब 5 शील means शांति. Panch means 5. 5 शांति के points. 5 points of peace and cooperation.
Madam attendance page.
5 points of peace and cooperation given by India and signed by China. Chinese Chow and Lai. The premier was Chow and Lai भी कहते हैं इसको, Chow and Lai भी कहते हैं. Right? And Indian Prime Minister, Premier, you know, the great Nehru. The joint enunciation of Panchsheel, the 5 principles of peaceful coexistence, just I told you, by the Indian Prime Minister Nehru and the Chinese Premier Zhou Enlai, underline karo, 29th of April 1954. 29th of April 1954. Right? So, was step in direction of stronger relationship between the two countries. India and Chinese leaders visited each other's countries. When we signed peaceful coexistence, we were very sure. We were very sure that we only India was very sure that look, Chinese will behave like a big brother. Right? That will never, think we never, and we also never thought. We have also never thought that China is going to have another way to attack on us. Right? So India and Chinese leaders visited each other's country and were greeted by large and friendly crowds. Now, another part is called Tibet. Right? Tibet is there. After second hand में है Tibet. If you sometime, whenever, if you free, do visit Dharamshala. Right? And the Dalai Lama's palace is there. And Tibet, we have recognized Tibet as a separate country. Tibet as a separate country. And there in Dharamshala, Tibet के Prime Minister भी है. We call it Tibet Government in Exile. I'm giving you a little bit extra, which is not written inside the book. Tibet Government in Exile. Tibet के Prime Minister भी है, Tibet के President भी है, Tibet के Foreign Ministers भी हैं. Right? And let me tell you one thing. Tibetan forces are there, special forces are there in our Indian Army also. Indian Army. They are having near about more than 50,000 forces. Personnel in Indian Army. They are all Tibetans. Because they are very much, friendly with the mountain region. आपको माउंटेन रीजन में भेज दिया जाए, आपकी सांसें फूलनी शुरू हो जाएंगी. They are very much used to about it because they are used to. Right now, okay, Tibet. Tibet is a plateau, पठार कहते हैं उसको. Tibet is a plateau, the Central Asian region called Tibet. It's written over there. One of the major issues historically caused tension between India and China. तिब्बत को लेकर ही इंडिया चाइना में टकराव हुई. तिब्बत and nearby Arunachal Pradesh, northeastern part of India. Basically, China used to say that complete northeastern part is Chinese boundary, Chinese land. Right. So, from time to time in Indian history, China had claimed administrative control over Tibet. And from time to time, Tibet was independent too. In 1950, China took over control of Tibet. Large sections of Tibetan population opposed the takeover. India tried to persuade China to recognize Tibet's claims and independence. When the Panchil Agreement was signed between India and China in 1954, through one of the clauses about respecting each other's territorial integrity and sovereignty, India considered China's claim over Tibet. ये तिब्बत को अच्छे से आप पढ़ लेना. Right? And due to Tibet only, we are facing a lot of Chinese aggression, and we are ready to face China also now. After 19, when China attacked on India in 1962. After 1962, it took hell of the time to get ready to face China, because the government was having not so good policy to take over China, to take and to face the challenge from China. It is government policy. Let me tell you another thing. Had we, used our Air Force, यदि हमने Air Force को use किया होता तब 1962 में, तो China हार चुकी होती. This Nehru didn't allow Indian Air Force to use its forces, to use its power, because at that time you are having a good Air Force. 1962 के हिसाब से हमारे पास अच्छी Air Force थी, but नेहरू ने allow नहीं किया. और हमें we had to face a shameful defeat. अपमानजनक हार को, शर्मिंदगी भरी हार को एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ा. किसके हाथों? China. So this is Tibet, and Dalai Lama crossed from Tibet to India to save himself, because China was going to, maybe if he was there, he used to be killed. He has to be killed, right? So this was Tibet. Look, and you say page number 71. One collage was there, page number 71. Yeah, back. Yes, one collage was there. Because 4 people are there, I'm watching everyone very minutely. No, नीचे एक लिखा हुआ है अमूल. अमूल पे लिखा हुआ हिंदी चीनी बाय बाय. अमूल के ऊपर लिखा हुआ, बटर के ऊपर हिंदी चीनी बाय बाय. तो पहले ये भाई था, हिंदी चीनी भाई था, अब हिंदी चीनी बाय बाय. Okay. Now, next is the Chinese invasion in 1962. Very much important part of this. 1962, 1965, 1971, 1999. This is the 62 Chinese War, Pakistan War, Bangladesh War, Kargil War. This was not war, but it was some type of war. Skirmish. छोटी सी लड़ाई कहते हैं. But it was a full-fledged war. It was a full-fledged war. It is, how much we have to face. 1962. Two developments stained this relationship. China annexed Tibet. पहला सेंटेंस ही यही लिखा हुआ है. China annexed Tibet. China ने तिब्बत को अपने काबू में, अपने कब्जे में कर दिया. right? And in 1950, and thus removed a historical buffer between the two countries initially. Initially, the government of India did not oppose this openly. Listen to me very carefully. It's not a very simple sentence. इंडिया ने अपोज ही नहीं किया 1950 के अंदर चाइना ने तिब्बत को कैप्चर कर लिया उस अटैक कर दिया उसके ऊपर एंड वी डिडंट प्रोटेस्ट इवन yeah Tibet is just near to us we didn't protest even or what Nehru said you know what Nehru said वहां पे तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है बर्फीला पहाड़ है बर्फीला पठार है you know थोड़ा बहुत जमीन ले ली तो क्या हुआ मैं इसके बाद when it I will let you know what happened over there right so but as the more information मैम ये बंद हो गया है मुझे लगता है इसका नेट बंद हो गया है ये बंद हो गया ये मैं कर दिया डोंट सेंड या सेंड द रिपोर्ट हो जाएगा ये हो जाएगा
ये फोन बोल रहा है कि आप नया लो
मेरा प्लीज यार ऐसे मत कर अभी हो जाएगा ठीक डोंट वरी गिव मी 1 मिनट टाइम ये हो गया इसके लिए मैं ये लो 2 मिनट टाइम दे दे बस 2 मिनट 2 मिनट दे दे
बंद करो रिस्टार्ट करो
हाँ
फिर नहीं चलेगा ये
हाँ
मीटिंग चलेगी
नहीं चलेगी चल जाएगा अभी चल जाएगा अभी 1 मिनट लगेगा
दोबारा स्टार्ट करनी हेलो ललित सर हेलो ललित सर
पढ़ ले समझ आया समझ आया
निकालो आपको कौन सा है
Yeah. Hmm. चलो. So, come back to the work. Now, but as more information was there, why we were so worried? We were worried because Chinese people were destroying Tibetan culture. That was very much near to us. The Tibetan speak. But as the more information came in about the suppression of Tibetan culture, the Indian government grew uneasy because we had started a friendly relation with the spiritual guru Dalai Lama, right? So he don't want basically Tibetan culture should be destroyed. So the Tibetan spiritual leader, the Dalai Lama, sought and obtained political asylum. Asylum का मतलब? What do you mean by asylum? Sharan lena, as a Sharanarthi. Right? He took a political asylum in India. In 1959, China alleged that the government of India was allowing anti-China activities. Now 59 से हमको समझ आ जाना चाहिए था, हमें समझ आ जाना चाहिए था कि चाइना ने तिब्बत के ऊपर अटैक किया, राइट? तिब्बतन गुरु, तिब्बत वहां के जो दलाई लामा, he shifted to India to save his life. We supported. You are facing some headache. Are you facing some headache? Headache हो रहा है मेरी आवाज से? इतनी जोर की तो नहीं, इतना बुरा नहीं बोलता हूँ मैं. Should I slow? आवाज मेरी तेज है. Okay. Fine. So Tibetan Guru Dalai Lama is shifted to India in 1959, right? And we should be, you should be cautious at that time. हमें cautious हो जाना चाहिए था because China is going to attack on India. Yesterday, I gave you some example of pigeon. कबूतर का एक example दिया था कि it used to close its eyes when the enemy is going to pounce on it. When the cat is going to pounce on the pigeon used to close its eyes. It used to think that the cat is also blind and it will not be able to see me, and it used to kill that particular pigeon. It happened with us also. हमने अपनी आंखें बंद कर ली, पर चाइना ने अपनी आंखें बंद नहीं की, and it attacked on India. Right. So a little earlier, a boundary dispute has surfaced between India and China. India claimed that the boundary was matter settled in colonial time, but China said that colonial decision did not apply. China की एक और बात बहुत अच्छी बात है. चाइना ने इसे कहते हैं ना blessings in disguise. चाइना ने अटैक किया था इंडिया के ऊपर कि कहीं से अच्छी बात भी है. We were very much anxious now, and we were getting ready to face China. जब तक आपके ऊपर difficulties नहीं आती ना, you are sleeping in the bed. जब आपको भूख लगती है तब आप बाहर निकलते हो. हमें भूख लग चुकी थी कि we have to take care of us. Otherwise, China is not going to leave us. China, we will not accept any type of other boundaries because we don't have the boundary. क्या होता है? आपका boundary wall होता है. We call it line of control or line of actual control. Line of control में कोई boundary नहीं होती. As you go to Bangladesh, I told you earlier also that Bangladesh in many villages, one person, his bedroom is in Bangladesh, his washroom is in India, because कोई boundary नहीं है. Kitchen is in India and another room is in Bangladesh. What to do? So the boundary could not be there. There could not be boundary. It means वो washroom के लिए washroom जब जाता है इंडिया में आ जाता है, otherwise वो बांग्लादेश में रहता है. खाना खाने के लिए वो इंडिया में किचन बनाता है, फिर वो बांग्लादेश में चला जाता है. उसको हाँ, अच्छा you go. Right. So basically, this is the answer. It happened with us also. So China said, I don't accept your boundaries. So what to do? एक और बात है ना, इसे हिंदी आप अच्छे से पढ़ते हो, मेरी हिंदी भी इतनी बुरी नहीं है. जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस. भैंस का नाम सुन के आपको काफी अच्छा लगता होगा. जिसकी लाठी उसका भैंस. She is laughing. She is giving good smile. Right. जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस. मतलब जिसकी भी लाठी होगी भैंस उसकी होगी. Right. So this is the answer. Next, as you know, China aggression के साथ एक और है, Cuban missile. हमने आपको देखा होगा कि there was in during the Cuban missile crisis, first part, another book, first chapter, Cuban missile crisis. यदि आपको याद है तो, यदि याद है तो की बात कर रहा हूँ, and a big question mark. Right, Cuban missile crisis. Cuban missile crisis में क्या हुआ था? America, Cuba, Fidel Castro and Russia and America, they were having face-to-face. Nuclear missiles were erected. Same happened in India also. But, due to some interference from the American part, from the communism part, from the other countries, the aggression was not so devastated. It was not so devastated as we thought so. So this is, do you remember the Cuban Missile Crisis in chapter 1 of the Contemporary World Politics? While the entire world attention was on this crisis involving two superpowers, China launched a swift and massive invasion in October 1962. So, October 1962, China attacked us. And it was the dream. It was the dream of Nehru that China is not going to be attacked on India, not going to attack on India. It was badly shattered. कहते हैं कि उसका हार्ट अटैक हो गया था इसके नाम सुन के कुछ दिनों एक आध साल के बाद कि चाइना ने हम पे अटैक कर दिया. Right, he was so sad about this कि China attacked on us. So Chinese forces captured some of key part in Arunachal Pradesh. देखो लिखा हुआ है. I told you many times that they said that Arunachal Pradesh is there. They said some part of Meghalaya is there. Arunachal Pradesh is there. Sikkim some part belong to China. So this is the part, whole thing about 1962. और चाइना के एग्रेशन ने हमारे इंडिया की पर्सनालिटी को डेंट लगा दिया. डेंट का मतलब पता है ना, कि गाड़ी में आपके डेंट लगता है या टूट जाता है, कुछ पंगा पड़ जाता है. तो हमारी इमेज थी कि इंडिया इज अ वेरी पीसफुल कंट्री. इंडिया इज हैविंग पांच शांति के प्रपोजल्स जो चाइना ने एक्सेप्ट किए थे, all shattered. Right. So Soviet Union remained neutral. Soviet Union, because Soviet Union is also a communist country. China is also a communist country. And after this 1962, we were getting close to Soviet Union because America didn't help us. Soviet Union was neutral. I will not go any part, nor I will accept or not I will deny. But American people, they supported even sometimes, somehow, China's aggression. Right. So from here, another part comes up that we were getting close to China, close to Soviet Union. The Soviet Union remained neutral during the conflict. It induced a sense of national humiliation at the same time strengthen the spirit of nationalism. जब हमारी किसी ने मदद नहीं की, do we feel insulted? We feel disgusted that nobody helped us.